Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, December 8th, 2020. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Yesterday, we had 100% of our fourth graders take the writing semester exam. Nice job, fourth grade. We also saw almost all of our fifth grade scholars on our testing also. Remember, scholars, third, fourth, and fifth take the reading test today. So make sure that you are online, camera is on, and you take your time and do your best. This Thursday, scholars, don't forget, have your parents decorate their car, drive through and get judged to see who has our best decorated car, best of show. All right, scholars, it's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot hoot!